Hello everybody. Look who I have here with me today. None other than the most important character she did last year, Ramya Krishnan of Bahubali. The Rajamata herself is here to answer all the questions regarding her new film TSK, Tana Serndha Kootam in Tamil and Gang in Telugu. And it's been a very important year for Ramya because she has done the most important character in Indian cinema last year, along with very meaty role in as Saroja of Hello, and here she is with us. Welcome to the show, Ramya.
Thank you so much.
So, how has been the life after Bahubali?
Wonderful, I would say. Actually, this phase is what I'm actually enjoying as an actor.
ராஜமாதா சிவகாமி தேவியின் சாட்சியாக பிரமாணம் செய்கிறேன்.
How did you choose Tana Serndha Kootam role? I'm told you are having the second most important role in the film after Surya.
Kind of, yes. It is an important role. Very interesting, very nice story. And how Vignesh has shaped it now is really wonderful. And while dubbing, I had to stop, laugh, and then start dubbing because it was hilarious in certain, most of the portions. And it's got that, not the typical comedy, it's got the subtle Vignesh Shivan kind of comedy, which is wonderful.
நெஞ்சில நேர்மையை செய்யல நியாயம் இருந்ததுனா நாம எதுக்குமே பயப்பட தேவையில்லை.
Now in TSK, what is the role? Would you explain your character and because the character name and other things? Because the film is releasing in a few hours, I think in just 2 or 3 hours it's releasing.
I think I should wait until 2 or 3 hours to reveal it. But it is a very cute, interesting role. I have 2 names in the film. One is Jhansi Rani and one is Azhagu
Okay.
So you can kind of understand. So that's about it, about my role, and you'll have to see it. And
which do you like better, Jhansi Rani or the Azhagu Raja?
You will not be asking me this question if you see the film.
So it's absolutely hilarious. Because the trailer, yes. you dance a song and you wear a dhoti and come and dance a song.
After a long time.
After a long time. Okay, and do you have a pair or something you can tell me about a film?
There is a pair, but most of the work is otherwise. I mean, like.
Okay.
Yeah.
But everybody knows that it is sort of a remake of Special 26.
Yeah, but you will not see Special 26 in this actually. Vignesh has actually done a wonderful job because Special 26 is a very, it's a very tight script. You cannot do much with it.
Yeah.
But Vignesh has worked wonders with it.
I heard that you are playing Anupam Kher's role, the female version. Any comments on that?
Maybe, yes.
So that's a beautiful role.
Yes, it is.
Anupam ji did really well in that. I think he was better than Akshay Kumar if you really look at it in the
He's a wonderful actor.
He's a wonderful actor, and if you are doing that role.
But actually, there are a lot of changes in Tamil. So
there are a lot of changes. Nativity changes?
Yeah, and more.
Okay, do you have, like in Bahubali and all that, do you have some good dialogues in the movie? Because people are expecting.
I can't say that Bahubali kind of dialogues cannot happen
overnight.
Or in all the films. But this film has its own charm and its own cuteness.
ஒருத்தன் பணக்காரனா இருக்க 1 கோடி பேர் பிச்சைக்காரனா ஆக்குறாங்க. அந்த பணத்தெல்லாம் தோண்டி எடுத்தாலே.
Would you say that you have a knack for comedy roles?
It is not, actually I would say comedy is more difficult than any other roles.
It's very difficult to make people laugh.
Yeah. So I would actually have to put in more effort for comedy. So whether I have the knack for it or not, I don't know, but I will try to get as close as possible to make it work.
What about your role with Kamal sir and Sabash Naidu?
I'm looking forward. That's a hilarious role, and that too with Kamala Hassan Garu. It's like it's going to be wonderful because I he's going to make it so easy for me, and it's a long time since he's done this genre comedy.
You're coming after Panchatantram.
Yes, together. Yes. So hopefully, I hope he starts shooting the.
You haven't shot so far for the movie.
Yes, we have shot in LA, but the rest of it has to.
Okay.
Yeah.
In Party, are you doing a song with
I
Satyaraj?
have a song with Satyaraj sir. A very cute song.
What is the song like? I mean, it's just a party
A romantic duet song.
with Satyaraj.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it must be real fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
How's family? How's your son?
Very good. He's in his 7th standard, 12 years old.
And how do you manage your family and Hyderabad and Chennai shipped in between?
I have good support from my sister, my mother, my dad. So they are there with him all the time when I travel. So when I'm here, I make sure I spend more time with him.
Now you have worked also with 2 generations of heroines and other people. How do you see the new breed of heroines?
Actually, they are way ahead. Actually, basically because there's more exposure today. They know what they're doing. They know how to go about everything. And I like it this way. Yeah, because you don't have time like the time we had for the learning process. You don't have that much time these days. You have to be totally prepared with the first film itself. So that they are.
So you feel they are in a more professional and they are competitive also?
They have more knowledge about everything. Like I told you, the exposure is more these days. So, yeah. So they're doing well for themselves. Because we as far as I'm concerned, it was a learning process. We didn't have anything to, no exposure. We didn't know what had to be done. Every film was a learning process. But the youngsters can't afford that.
But it's phenomenal that you have survived for so many years.
24 years now.
Yes, in the industry is a long time. What would you say to your survival?
It's not in your hands, or if it has to be, it had to be. So it is. So that's it.
So you say also luck plays an important role?
Of course it does.
You believe in that?
Yeah, very much.
Because the right script has to come in, land up.
Yes, it has to come. It has to be received well. These
The film has to be a commercial hit.
Yeah, that means it's been received well. So, so these things are never in your hands. You never know. You never know. So I just take it as it comes and happy for whatever has happened.
So you don't really go and see what really I should do this film. No, nothing like that.
No. Never did. Never did.
Everything fell into your lap.
Yes, it did. Because like I would say, Padayappa, I would have, if I was given a choice, I would have done only Saundarya's role.
Yeah, definitely.
But luckily I didn't have a choice. So,
okay.
yeah, so like that, things
And
just happened.
Bahubali, Sridevi was originally supposed to do that and then you did that.
Yeah, there's so many films, different artists who approached and then come to me, or they've come to me and gone to different actors. So it's part of the industry, and they would approach 2-3 people, not just one.
Definitely, that's part of the industry.
Yeah, so.
அது புடுங்கிடுவீங்களா?
தனியா நான் மட்டும் ஒன்றும் புடுங்க முடியாது சார். நாமெல்லாம் சேர்ந்தா நிச்சயம் ஏதாவது புடுங்கலாம் சார்.
The Rajmata character, did you ever realize that it created the kind of impact?
I didn't realize it before the film was released and after until it was received the way it was. Not when I accepted the film, even while I was performing, not even while I was dubbing, because some magic happened on screen, so that you can never foresee.
Would you say the Rajamouli film is your most important film till
I
date?
would say that.
Much
And
more.
as far as Indian cinema is concerned, also it is one of the most important films. So
Yeah, because
it has
you
to
are
be
the
mine too.
you are the pivot around which the entire film revolved. Because right, you are the connection between part 1 to part 2, and the way the character Rajamouli created. What was is it a God sent gift or something like that? Would you say?
It's all, my whole career has been like that for me, including Padayappa.
Character you played in Hello, the mother of Akhil, and the scene you had in that plane, that took you to a new level, that you were able to do comedy also. What would you say about it?
Panchitantram was comedy too.
Yes.
So yeah, as far as Hello is concerned, it is totally different from Bahubali. It's just the opposite. And then a light-hearted, very cute role, which I thoroughly enjoyed doing, and it was wonderful working with Vikram, the director. And the flight scene was one of my favorites too. Yeah, it was a very cute scene.
Okay.
And I like the car scene also, where he
Yeah.
calls me mom, and yeah.
I think those two scenes made the film a big hit, I'm told, because there's a mother sentiment, everything worked out beautifully.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your viewpoint on doing heroine-oriented films? If somebody approaches you, I'm sure so many must have approached you with serious cinema.
See, if the film is really worth, or you can see that it's going to work, you know, chumma vanda heroine oriented la, you just can't do it. So when something like that happens, if it's really interesting and it's a good setup, and
See, you have been associated more with mass commercial movies rather than doing a single heroine oriented film. Why is that? Is it you were just given me an answer that you have some doubts about it?
I've been a commercial heroine. Glamorous roles were always what I used to do, mostly in Telugu. But everything, you know, there was a transformation gradually which happened, and I'm getting roles where I can perform now, and so that's it. I never thought of, you know, why not this and that, but I've just enjoyed the journey and process.
So nice talking to you, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.